Today we are learning how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So first of all, go ahead and copy the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we're solving quadratic equations, which means that we're finding the point or points where the quadratic function crosses the x-axis. That's what we're finding. Usually there's two solutions. Sometimes there's only one solution, and sometimes there's no solutions. So you could have two solutions, you could have one solution if that solution repeats, or no solution. So first thing we're going to do is set up the quadratic formula. Wherever there is an A, B, or C, we're going to use parentheses. So we're going to label A, B, and C. So A, if there's no number, it's 1. B is negative 12. C is negative 13. Make sure you circle the negative signs with it. So I have negative from my quadratic formula, B. Anywhere there is at A, B, or C, we're going to use parentheses to set it up. I would prefer that you set it up like this first before you start plugging anything in. So what I did was, this is my skeleton. Wherever there was a variable, I put in parentheses. So here, this is where B goes, B, A, C, and A. So B is negative 12. Again, negative 12. A is 1. C is negative 13. And A is 1. So once I have everything filled out, I'm going to type this into the calculator. I'm going to use alpha y equal. And set it up exactly how we have it. Once I have it set up, I press enter. So one answer is 13. Okay, so notice here, first I put plus. I can't do a plus and a minus at the same time. So first you're going to put plus, and then you're going to go back and change this plus to a minus. So I don't want to type that in all over again. So there's a trick on your calculator. You can scroll up, highlight it, and press enter, and then it copies it. Now I'm going to scroll over until I get to that plus. I'm going to type over it with a minus, then press enter. So the other answer is x equals negative 1. Okay, same thing, create your skeleton. So B goes here, B, A, C, and A. So my A is 1, my B is 5, my C is 6. So 5, 5, 1, 6, 1. Type it in the calculator. Alpha y equals, set up the fraction and type it in exactly how you have it. So one answer is -2. I'm gonna go in and change that plus to a minus to get the second answer. And -2 again. Oops, sorry, I didn't change it. Wrong. Minus, enter, -3. Okay, that's what you're gonna do on your assignment.